Today we are gonna do manipulation on this image to make a golden tree out of it with the free Snapseed app. First I need to separate the leaves on the tree from the rest of the image, basically trying to make the leaves completely white and the rest black. Starting in Tune Image, increasing the saturation to the maximum, which will help in getting a nice contrast later. Now I need to make the sky around the tree dark, which will help to separate the tree from the background. Using selective filters, placing one here, and turning the brightness around to -100. Copying the same and pasting it all around to make sure the sky surrounding the tree is dark. Going to the black and white filter, choosing the color where we get maximum contrast between the tree and the sky. Choosing the orange option, which works best here. Now to make the sky completely black, using curves I'm gonna darken the image till the sky turns completely black by moving the lower part of the curve towards right. Next, to make the grassy part completely black, using curves again, I'm gonna drag the top point completely down to make the image black. Then with masking, tapping on the stacks icon, view edits, curves and brush. Here with the black effect disabled and with the brush value set at 100, brushing on the grassy part to reveal the black effect. Making sure to get a precise selection by zooming in and brushing. Now we have separated the leaves on the trees with the rest of the image. Now to get the color a golden look, with curves again, I'm gonna drag the blue curve down to add some yellows. Then adding a little magenta by dragging the green curve down a bit. Applying and saving this, which will be later needed. Now I'm gonna add some blur with the lens blur tool. Moving the radial blur out of the way to make sure the tree is completely blurred with default values. I'm gonna save this. Coming back to the same filter, this time increasing the blur strength to 100. In Tune Image, I'm gonna add more brightness and saturation. Saving this. We have got all the images saved which would be needed to get the final result. So now I'm gonna revert to get back to the original state. Now to get the image to a dark setting. Going to Tune Image, bringing down the brightness, also saturation. I'm gonna make the image a little cooler by reducing the temperature in white balance menu. Making the image a bit more darker using curves. Now using double exposure, I'm gonna add the second image we saved with a little blur and choose the lighten blend mode and apply it. Again with the double exposure tool, this time adding the first saved image of the golden leaves with the add blend mode, which gives these leaves a golden light. Double exposure again, this time adding the last saved image with the maximum blur and select the lighten blend mode. Decreasing the opacity to reduce the intensity a bit. Then with masking, applying it selectively with different values of transparency. Next, to get some light underneath the tree, increasing the brightness and warmth. Then with masking, carefully applying it on the part below and around the tree. More tuning with the brush tool. Dodging on the parts where we added light just now. Making it more brighter. Also adding more temperature by brushing on the same areas. Adding more color by increasing temperature in white balance. And applying it with masking. Now with the double exposure tool, I'm gonna add an image of the moon. Decreasing the size and placing it around here. Setting the opacity to 100. With masking, brushing on the part where the moon is located to reveal it. Now to add more ambient light around the moon, lifting the blacks with some added brightness in curves. With masking, applying it around the moon. The final result here. Thanks for watching.